Let me ask you something. If AI can already write a function in seconds, make an API call, or even build an entire project from a single prompt, what even is the role of a software developer these days? Something very important and fundamental has changed. Large language models have fundamentally transformed the way software is built. However, most software developers are still coding as if they used to do 2 years or 3 years back. You type in the code, you maybe go to ChatGPT or Stack Overflow, you get the answer, you come back, then you again type it again, you run your tests, you debug, you keep on doing this iterative flow. While the most advanced AI teams in the world are already using coding agents to 10x their software development speed. Let me ask you a question. If AI can make a function call in seconds, generate an entire API, or even build a full project just from a single prompt, what even is the role of software developers and software engineers these days? The reality is that large language models and the rise of coding agents has completely transformed the way software engineering and coding needs to be done. However, most software developers are still stuck 2 years or 3 years behind. They are using tools like ChatGPT in a very traditional way. You write code, you go to ChatGPT, you debug, you come back and keep on doing this iterative process. The rise of coding agents like Claude Code and Codex 5.3 have fundamentally transformed the way coding is done and the way software projects are executed. Many modern AI teams are already embracing this new workflow to 10x their software engineering pipeline. There is now a massive gap which is emerging. On one side, we have AI systems that can automate a large portion of the software development life cycle. On the other side, we have developers who are using a tiny fraction of that capability. And when that gap closes, which it definitely will, many developers will actually struggle to find a job or a role in the market. So the real question is not will AI change software engineering? The reality is that AI has already changed software engineering. The real question is how do you learn to adapt to the new ways of using AI for software engineering? Modern software development is not about writing every line of code yourself. Instead, the workflow is evolving into something completely different. Plan, generate, modify, verify, and repeat. That's the new development loop. Developers are now working with coding agents using the above loop which I just mentioned. This is not theory. This is exactly how the fastest moving engineering teams are operating today. The problem is that most engineers have never been shown how to build software this way. That's exactly the gap which we are planning to solve with the Modern Software Developer Workshop. This is a 5-day intensive program in which developers will learn how to build software applications the modern way. We will build 10 real-life projects together using tools that modern AI developers actually use. Here is what you will be learning across the 5 sessions. On day 1, you will understand how LLMs have evolved, what are coding agents, and how coding agents have completely transformed the way software is written. On day 2, you will build your own coding agent fully from scratch. On day 3, you will build full stack applications using coding agents. Day 4 and day 5 is something which 5-minute or 10-minute courses never teach you. On day 4 and day 5, you are going to look at AI security, testing, continuous integration, and continuous deployment. Because even in the age of coding agents, these things matter a lot, and this will set apart software developers who are blindly using coding agent versus software developers who are using it effectively. By the end of this bootcamp, you would have built a CLI tool, a REST API, a coding agent from scratch, a full stack web application built entirely using coding agents, a Chrome extension, fully automated security and testing pipelines. Who is this program designed for? The program is designed for software developers, engineers, technical leads in organizations, entrepreneurs, or anyone who really has an idea and wants to build a product out of it, because now it's possible. The next cohort starts on 23rd March. We will have 5 days of learning together. The cohort will start at 9 a.m. IST and it will go until 11 a.m. or even more than that every day. We will plan for 2 to 3 hour intensive sessions every single day. 5 days, 10 projects. And the tools which we will learn will define the next era of software development, and it will also position you appropriately in the changing job market. If you want to become a modern software developer, this is where you start. Please join the bootcamp and I look forward to seeing you then.